The perfect tool for your farm. Let's see what comes in the package. You get the hard ABS case, the drone, the siren, the speaker and the beacon. You also get the charger to charge up the batteries and the controller, which you can mount your phone or tablet to, which will play back live video from up to 8 kilometers away. One key accessory to use on the Mavic 2 Enterprise is the customizable loudspeaker. Today we have programmed in multiple unique sounds to move the livestock. The second feature is the all-new zoom camera, which has up to 4 times zoom, giving you up to 96mm focal length, which is ideal for disturbance-free viewing of livestock during lambing and calving season.
We use the Mavic 2 Enterprise on our farm to carry out stock surveillance, especially around lambing and calving time. We can fly up to our mob and see if there are any sheep or cattle needing assistance in no time at all. Being able to monitor the farm quickly and assess livestock is a huge advantage.